Thank you very much. So really very happy. Why ఎందుకనంటే it's only because of one thing. It is online batch actually. Only it is not offline. When we started, it is online only, no?
Yes.
It is online batch. So unfortunately, offline started. So still they came here for, as market is open, everyone is open outside, so everyone came here. They are studying here, and eventually we started offline also. So there, this person, he came from very far. So I thank you everyone. The only main success will be now the original journey starts now. 2022, in any cost you have to clear the prelims, mains and interview. Then only the major target will reach. And for that I am there anytime to support you, to help you, and I will see my success in your success. So for that I am ready to do all the efforts. మీరు కూడా బాగా ఇంకా కష్టపడాలి. You are doing very good, but still you have to study more, you have to work hard. and now it's a time to do revision notes of some subjects of your general studies or your optional subjects. You have to do revision notes, and eventually you should evolve, you should grow like anthropology, how man evolved. So you should also evolve with respect to the UPSC. So mainly, so it's very happy. So you didn't forget, and we had a very good farewell, very good cake also. So I'm thank you very much. So I will give my mic to my students. Yes, Megha.
First of all, thank you, sir, for making our anthropology very easy. At the starting of the course, we are very worried about the course, like how it will be, we will be able to complete or not. But sir made it very easy. So I congratulate everyone as we successfully completed our course. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi. Actually, I joined the June anthropology batch 1 month after, like in July ending, I think I joined in it. But still, I got grip on the subject, and as well as the teaching of sir is very good. He teaches the subject in very crisp manner, and also he gave the notes that are very simple, which is very easy for any student to understand, whether he is from a medical background or engineering background or anything. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart to the sir for making our anthropology course so easy. And I think with the guidance that the sir provided, with the coaching that he gives and also the motivation that he gives, every student can achieve his goal, his or her goal. Thank you.
Good evening all. I am Prithviraj from June batch. I'm a beginner. I started in this January. Initially, I do not have any guidance, but I decided to join with Vishnu sir in the June batch. I really improved a lot in answer writing when I started preparing with sir. Now I am very confident that I can make some beautiful answers, and even not only anthropology, other subjects also. When I write some answers, I send to sir. Sir will correct and give his valuable feedback. It helps a lot for me. And not only mains, prelims. Once we commit with sir, then he provides his all best for us to clear this exam. Thank you, sir.